Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in our A to Z series, we'll be talking about alphabet L. And from L, we'll be discussing about ligament injury. So if you are having any kind of ligament injury, if you are having ligament muscle injury, anything like that, then today's point will definitely help you. So let us see the location of the point and what we will do on it. So let us check it out. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join our WhatsApp group or our Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. So this point is located on the backside of our hand on the middle finger, just above the second joint of our middle finger. Exactly in the center is this point. This point is called as GB34, gallbladder 34. So what we will do over here, we will take a jimmy and then we'll press this area for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly. We'll give deep and firm pressure on this point. Okay, we'll press the area properly and then we will apply one buell magnet on this point. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then you can WhatsApp us on the given number and buy the magnets for yourself. So on this point, we will apply one buell magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the buell magnet will touch the skin. Okay, we'll touch the yellow side of the magnet with our skin, and from the outside you will see the white side of the buell magnet, just like this. Okay, so we'll apply one magnet on this point properly. This point is bilateral, that means we will apply it on both the hands, and we will do this treatment for 8 to 10 hours daily. We'll apply it properly for 8 to 10 hours daily, and after removing it, we will throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily and you will definitely find the results. That's all for the day. Thank you so much.